Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you all are fine by God's grace. So today's video, I will be mixing this dad's hair grease. This is the kuza, that kuza Indian hemp. Sorry, no, Indian hemps hair grease. Okay, so yeah, this is the kuza Indian hemps hair grease. This is 100% India hemps hair grease. So I have here also this blue magic India hemps hair grease, which is so amazing. The kuza, they add the method to it, because if you are familiar to that kuza hair grease, you know that they have that kind of hot feeling to it, so they have metal in it. That is the only one that carried metal. This blue magic did not carry any metal, as well as this does not carry any metal in it. They are just calm on your scalp. When you use it, you will not feel anything at all, but when you use that kuza, you are going to feel some kind of feeling on your scalp, which is also good. That also can also help to stimulate your blood to flow, and your hair is going to respond quickly. So now I have my dad's Indian hemps, the kuza Indian hemps, and the Indian hemps, and the blue magic Indian hemps. So now I'm going to be adding my oils. Take note, here is my argan oil, so I will add that as well. So the next oil I will be adding is vitamin E oil, so I will also add castor oil. So any oil that you have, guys. So now here I have my sage DIY oil, so the video is on my channel. So this is the Indian hemps oil. So I got this from Amazon, just in case you want to buy, so you can see it on Amazon. So I will add just 1 spoon of this Indian hemp. Guys, this oil is so amazing, guys. It's so good for hair growth. So the next thing is sesame. Guys, I love sesame oil so much. I love the seed. I can even make my own sesame oil at home if I want to. So I got this from Amazon as well, so I just add 1 spoon of that. So the next oil is one of my favorite thing that I love to use on my hair, is flaxseed oil. So I love flaxseed a lot. The gel is amazing. It helped my hair to grow really well, so I will add 1 spoon of that. So the next thing is this pumpkin seed oil. So I got this from Amazon as well, and all the oil I use is from Amazon, so just in case. So now I will add 1 spoon of zucca pumpkin seed oil. So guys, this oil is so amazing. It's rich in vitamin that can help to promote your hair growth. Now I have all my oil and my grease in that bowl. So if you want, you can, anyone that you don't like, of any oil that you don't like, you can replace it with any oil of your choice. So now I have everything. I'm just going to mix it together, guys. This hair grease mix is super amazing. When I say super, it's super amazing when you use it on your hair, guys. Like if you want to do 30 days hair growth challenge with this product, there's no way that your hair is not going to grow like 2 inches in a month, guys. This is so good. The oils, the grease mix is so good. So now I'm just going to mix everything together, as you can see. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all. So if you are here for the first time, you are also welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on any of this product, from the grease to the oil that you love to use on your hair. Just comment at the comment section below. Okay, so here is my hair. I make a video on using cantu mixed with aloe vera plus flaxseed gel on my hair. This is almost a week and 2 days since I make that video, since I use that product on my hair, and my hair is still very in good condition. As you guys can see, my hair is not that dry. Even if it's a week, I still have to moisturize my hair, so now I will be moisturizing my hair with that grease that I missed earlier. So now I have my water here. I'm just going to put my hair in a damp stage, so every product that I use can have something to something to work with. So I just used a little bit water on my hair to keep it damp a little bit before I will apply my product to my hair. Then I will just work the product into my hair. So if you just subscribe to my channel, I see you. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it all. So here I have the OROS hair fertilizer. Guys, this product is bomb. Oh. I love this product a lot. It's really so good. It helped to grow my hair really well. So yeah, I don't think I've made a video on this, so this is my first time making a video on this. I don't know, maybe I make a video, but this product I'll be using it is really good, guys. Really good to grow your hair anyhow you want it. If you want to use it on the oil or you want to use it before you apply your grease, it's super duper amazing. So now I'm just going to rub that on my hair. As you can see, first of all, I just concentrate on my scalp. As you can see, I just make sure that I massage this product on my scalp very well before I will use it on my hair. So the next portion now is going to be on my hair before I apply the hair grease. Okay, so just keep watching so you don't miss out any very important point. So guys, after massaging the product to my hair, this is how my hair is looking like. So here is the hair grease that I missed earlier. As you can see, this hair grease is super good, guys. If you want to do 30 days hair growth challenge, you should try it with this hair grease. You are going to like it. Like, your hair is going to respond so fast. That is so amazing. They are Indian hemps. In case you have not tried it, just go and get it. Okay, try it out. You're going to like it. I'm promoting this product because they are good. I use them on my hair mostly, and Blue Magic is also one of my favorite hair grease. Kuza, I use it not every time, but sometimes I use it and it's really so amazing. But that's Blue Magic, I always like the product I use most on my hair. So now I mix everything together just to put all the strength in one place, to triple the strength, like bring kuza, bring Blue Magic, mix everything together, combine their strength together and win the battle of hair growth. So now I'm just going to massage the product to my scalp, as you can see me doing right now. So if you don't have that OROS fertilizer, you can use any moisturizing lotion or cream that you have at home to just moisturize your hair before you use the grease to seal in everything that you put on your hair. So now, as you can see how my hair is looking like, I'm also going to go on 1 month without washing my hair. I think I did that last month. It was really so amazing. My hair responds to everything that I use on my hair. So I'm going to also stay a month without washing my hair, but I will be moisturizing my hair with any product that I come across. Okay, Yeah, I can use anything on my health during this period of 1 month, anything at all. Even if this grease, I'm going to use it throughout this week. I'm going to finish it before on Monday before I will moisturize and make a video again for you guys. So thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers in the world. Happy Mother's Day to me, to you, to everybody, to every mother, to every girl, to every born baby girl. Happy Mother's Day to you all. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all on my next one by God's grace. God keep us alive and healthy. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye.